If you have one long Google Doc and want a cleaner way to work, document tabs make it simple. In this video, I'll walk you through what tabs are, how to create and manage them, and the best ways to download a file that contains every tab. Follow along on your computer and I'll point out the exact clicks. First, a quick idea of what tabs do. Tabs let you split a single docs file into separate sections like pages or chapters inside the same document. Think of them like sheets in a spreadsheet or browser tabs. Each one holds its own content, but stays in the same file, so you can jump between sections fast. To get started, open Google Docs and either make a new document or open an existing one. Look near the top left of the screen for the Show Tabs and Outlines icon, usually close to the document title. Click that icon to open the left-hand sidebar. Sometimes the panel opens automatically if the document already has tabs. In the sidebar, you'll see your current tab, often named Tab 1 by default. Click the plus button labeled Add Tab at the top of that panel to create a new blank section. A new tab will appear with a generic name like Tab 2. Click the name, type something descriptive, such as Research Notes, and press Enter to save it. If you like visual cues, you can even add an emoji in the tab name to make it easier to spot. Once you have more than one tab, switching between them is as easy as clicking the tab name in the left panel. To change the order, click and drag a tab up or down in that panel and drop it where you want. If you want a hierarchy, drag a tab directly onto another tab to make it a subtab. The subtab will appear indented under the parent, and you can collapse or expand it with the little arrow next to the parent tab. For additional actions, hover over any tab name and click the three dots to open the menu. From there, you can rename the tab, duplicate it to copy all its content, or delete it. Keep in mind, you cannot delete the only remaining tab in a document, so the delete option is disabled if it's the last one. Inside each tab, use the built-in heading styles like Heading 1 and Heading 2 from the formatting toolbar to give the section structure. Click a tab once to switch to it, and click it again to expand that tab's outline in the left panel. That makes it easy to jump to specific headings inside the tab. Here is a key detail about downloading tabs. If you use the standard download option inside Google Docs, Docs only downloads the content from the active tab. As you can see, I downloaded the file and it's not showing the second tab. To get every tab compiled into one file, use Google Drive. The recommended way is to download as a single Docs file. Go to Drive, google.com, find the document, right-click the file name or icon without opening it, and choose Download. Drive will compile every tab into one Microsoft Word, Docs file, and save it to your computer. Now, as you can see, it is showing all tabs. If something doesn't show up or a feature seems missing, try refreshing the document or reopening the tabs panel. Remember that the Docs download only gets the active tab, so always use Drive Download when you need the full file. Also, remember you can't delete the last tab in a document. That covers everything you need to use document tabs in Google Docs, from creating and organizing tabs to downloading all sections in one file. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.